we're heading kayaking in the morning on the Buffalo, and I needed a new spin rod, so best place to stop here in Little Rock is the Outdoor World. Gotta love Bass Pro. Let's go. Oh yeah, so if you buy your line and your reel and that kind of stuff, they'll actually spool it up for you for free. So that's super awesome. I'm gonna go find some hooks and some weights, and we're gonna get out of here and go meet Austin. All right, appreciate it, Bass Pro. Got our new rods in hand. Heading to Russellville, going to meet Austin, and head up to Jasper. Heading out on the Buffalo. Hopefully the weather is going to hold. Got some thunderstorms coming in the next couple days. So we're going to play it by ear. Hopefully it'll work out. But sitting at home, it's definitely not going to work out. So we're going to at least go give it a shot. All right, Austin's about 15 minutes late, and he finally arrives.
New rod?
Yeah, bro.
What'd you get?
Got me a Bass Pro rod.
Let's go look at it.
Let's check it out. Late, as always. Brought us a tube. Who would float? We're gonna float, right?
No, we're not float.
Huh.
Get your rod back here.
Dang, bro. Check out my rods.
Where'd you go? If I broke it right off the bat.
Ooh.
I've seen these Bass Pro.
Yeah.
They spooled it already?
Yeah. If you buy the line, they'll spool it for you for free.
I don't have any excuses.
Only excuse is this weather.
Good.
You see up here.
Yeah, hopefully it rains tonight and gets out of the way. Yeah, my looks good right now.
That's it. Ready to eat some chicken?
You got two of them?
Yep. Chicken time.
Little chicken head that way?
Yeah, bro.
Where'd you get this food back here?
You letting me look out the lookout?
Yeah, man, I want you to make sure you got a view of the River Valley while you're up here.
Oh, that's so
You like
sweet.
that?
That's nice. That's so nice of him. Beautiful overlook up here in Arkansas, overlooking the Ozark Mountains. Are you getting that good pano?
Yeah, man. So that's a win right there. That's saving that one.
All right, yeah, let's go. Well, that was nice of little bro to stop and let me look out the lookout. Look over the lookout. Look something up the lookout. Just see the lookout. So Austin said that he had us a 4-star hotel right here in Jasper, and I can tell you, I didn't see a single 4-star I didn't see a single 4-star hotel, and now he's pulling into something. Hey, bro. Is this your 4-star hotel? 4-star. Ah, this is fancy.
I didn't see I didn't see that other one. I guess we can look it up.
4-star hotel?
We can look at that other one.
4.2?
You want to check the other one out, or you want to try this one?
Yeah, man. They got canoe rentals.
We need to eat canoes.
All right. This is our hotel that Austin found for us tonight. As you see, one thing that you do not see on that sign is free HBO or Wi-Fi. I see you out there, man. You're like a little dot. Up through that tree line. Ooh!
You see me?
Oh yeah, dude. I got you. That looks good.
Use my video right now?
Yep. So basically what we're doing, can't fly on the national park, but you can fly on the national forest. We're on the public access right here, just off of it, so that's where we're at.
Not successful.
This one had vacancies.
We just got back to our hotel. I went to the Dollar General and got me a nice new pillow and a blanket.
Get a pillow, man.
We're staying at a very classy establishment here, room number 4. Let's see what this looks like. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, we got a nice couche executive leather chair right there. Beds aren't looking too bad.
It's a nice place you built.
Let's check out the shower right here.
Nice place.
It's not too bad. It's got the welcome sign right there. That's a classy place.
Where'd you get the camera at?
We whenever we got here, it was about 100 degrees. We turned the air conditioner off and left. Came back. I went to Dollar General. Got the went with the full queen comfort bay blanket and the nice $2 pillow, super value. So it's right here. So hey, I just see one stain right now. Yeah, we're gonna pass on the pulling back the old comforter there. Yeah, we're gonna pass. We're gonna pass on that.
Oh, what is this?
So
What is this?
don't tell me, I don't want to know.
No.
We had to pick a place to stay. Got it's supposed to rain tonight, and it's about 90 degrees outside. So we got a really cheap motel, middle of Arkansas, and just a crash for tonight. So it's definitely a classy joint. But get what you pay for, I guess. So it'll be a place to stay and keep us dry, and it'll be cool. Hopefully, the AC's definitely working, so that's a plus. But we're going to we're sleeping on the outside of the covers for sure, no doubt.
There was one other time that we stayed in a hotel like this, and it was me and Austin. This one right here might be worse. Thanks, Austin. Appreciate it, Austin. This is a good one here. I think I'm gonna pitch my tent on my bed.
No doubt. Room number 4, just in case not everybody knows where we're at.
Whoa. Alright, so that's the Buffalo down there. We have made it. Looks like the rain is easing out this morning. It was supposed to rain off and on throughout the day, but I think the storms have went north of us. So we're getting a little bit late start this morning, which is okay. But hopefully we won't get wet today. We won't get thunderstormed on, and we'll get into some fish. So I'm excited. Let's get this goat rope on, son. First cow! No! Ah! Man. First cast out. Had one get off. That is a toad right there.
Man, it's a good fish. That's why we come right there. That's a good smallmouth right there for Arkansas.